As a startup founder, you know that one of the most important things you can do is to raise money for your business. But how do you go about raising a seed round? There are a few things you need to keep in mind when you're raising money for your business. Here are some tips on how to raise a seed round. 1. Make a business case for the round. Founders should make a strong case for why their company needs money and what they plan to do with the funds. Investors want to see a clear path to success, and founders should be able to articulate that clearly in their pitch deck or business plan. 2. Build a strong team. Founders should make sure they have the right team in place before pitching a seed round. A strong team can help founders execute their business plans and grow the company quickly. 3. Be prepared to answer tough questions. Investors will want to know how the company plans to grow, where its revenue is headed, and how it plans to compete in its market. Founders should be prepared to answer these questions head-on and demonstrate how their company will be successful. 4. Be realistic about expectations. Founders should be realistic about what they can achieve in a seed round and be prepared to answer any questions investors may have about their business plan or strategy. Follow the page https://malcolmtan.net/ to find out more about how to raise a seed round.